Hi folks, 你们好. Welcome back to another Mandarin with Ray video. It is still Pride Month, so show some love to your local queer community, your queer nonprofit organizations that are doing great work, especially those who are helping the equality of queer BIPOC folks. We need to work on this together and make sure everybody share the same human rights that we deserve and make this world a better place for everyone to live in. Last time we talked about how to say hello and greet people in Mandarin. This time we're going to talk about goodbyes real quick, because it takes no time for Chinese people to say goodbye. No time at all. We're very fast. Like this.
How to leave a friend's house. Get ready, this is a little fast, but focus on the English first.
哟，你看看，都这个点了，我先走了。别呀，再待会儿吧。不待了，不待了，太晚了。哦，带点水果回去吃吧。不用啦，不用啦，带回去给孩子吃呀。我没有孩子。哦，那你自己吃吧。啊，不吃了，不吃了，让我送你出去吧。别送啦，就送到门口。到门口了，那你走吧，那你回去吧。回来了，回头见，再见。That's right, it takes no time at all for you to leave a place if you visit your friend or family. We truly treat each other as a close member of the family, so you really want to make sure people who are visiting you feel at home and comfortable and never want to leave. And as a guest, you want to make sure the host feel that they've done a good job, so you never want to leave too. So it can get a little hard to leave a situation you got yourself into. But today we're only looking at some ways with no strings attached and how to say goodbye in those situations. The first one, 再见. 再见. It literally translates to see you again, but we put the again first. So 在 is again, 见 is see. 再见, see you again. Or 回头见. 回头见, which translates to see you when I turn my head. 回头见. Or bye bye. Bye bye is literally bye bye with a Chinese tone in it. Bye bye. See you later or see you soon. 一会儿见. 一会儿见. See you next Monday. 周一见. 周一见. In situations where a goodbye or see you later might seem too sudden, you can announce you're leaving first. 我先走了. 我先走了. I'm going to leave first. 我先走了. Or 走啦. 走啦. I'm gonna go. 走啦. Or 走了呀. 走了呀. Those are your goodbyes. So it's much easier than greeting people or saying hello. Speaking of which, let's do a quick review on the ways to say hello. If you're saying hello to one person, 你好. To a group of people, 你们好. Or 大家好. Asking how are you? 怎么样? 你最近怎么样? How are you doing lately? 还是老样子. Same old. 还是老样子. 挺好的呀. All good. 挺好的呀. All good. 唉，不怎么样. 唉，不怎么样. Not so good. And all your goodbyes. 再见. 回头见. 一会儿见. 周一见。明天见。Now you have ways to say goodbye and hello to people in Mandarin. So hold on to those bookends and we're gonna fill out that conversation for you. And thank you so much for watching again. If you have any questions, comments, things you want to know more about, hit me up in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you will know whenever I have a new video upload. If you want more information on what we covered here in the videos, find me on Patreon at patreon.com/mandarinwithray. And if you're interested in setting up private lessons, also, you can find a package on Patreon with 1 private lessons per month included, or you can hit me up at mandarinwithray@gmail.com. I look forward to hear from you and we can get on to this Mandarin journey together.